Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Exchange rates get tested fast here, and this one is super quick. Find how many dollars €1 buys in year 2, then compare years. Year 2 only. If 24 euros buy a $30 shirt, then €1 buys 30 divided by $24, which simplifies to $1.25. Nice! Now, compare with year 1. Back then, 20 euros bought the same $30, so €1 bought 30 divided by 20, or $1.5. Since €1 bought $1.50 before, but only $1.25 in year 2, the euro lost value against the dollar, so it depreciated. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust the given numbers, then check each step so direction and rate stay correct.